So we are doing another YouTube video. So we just went to Churchill Square and we bought
glue for our slime. Then we bought Elmer's activator. Get it at.
So here's
WH Smith.
Wait, I will turn around the camera. Okay, so the camera's turned around. So we bought Elmer's glue.
And also 2 shaving foams which
I said Elmer's glue, I meant Elmer's activator.
What are these called? Oh yeah,
Shaving.
shaving foam. Only £1.10.
Oh, we got these glues.
It
This
was
was
only
£4.
The big one in WH Smith was like £6.
And it's like...
No, 10. It was 10.
like 10. It's literally the same size.
And then fake nails.
We will do
24.
the videos of fake nails and face masks, like in a separate video, and we will also do in another separate video hair dyeing.
Yeah, that might be tonight
Head.
or tomorrow.
Yeah, tonight or tomorrow, one or the other.
And also, this is a really good thing, so go.
Yeah, go buy it.
It's semi-permanent, and on the back it says permanent. You do have to do a patch.
This
test.
video is sponsored by Superdrug. I'm
Yeah.
only joking. I wish it was.
Yeah.
Anyway, so yeah, we are going to be doing slime. So
Bye.
yeah, see ya. Okay, so we are back and we are going to be making a slime.
I picked this colour. Frankie picked.
I picked
that
this
colour.
colour. And
yeah.
we also have some foam balls and
The glitter glue
glitter glue
and glitter and star glitters.
and here's our Elmer's activator.
So let's go.
Right. Good luck. Where's my spoon?
Here.
Thanks.
That might have been yours, but
Weird noises. I mean,
I've got a lot. Like,
so... That's like poo. Wait. Look, wait. Pat it and then it makes like... This is the bad bit, getting the glue out.
yeah, okay, I think I'm going to be done now. Okay, next ingredient is shaving foam. Make sure to mix it first.
I thought it was
And-
paint.
Because it would take the paint away, shaving foam. You
Okay.
shake it and you have it at an angle, because if you tip it like that, it will go, so like there. It's shaving gel.
Will it still work?
I think it forms into shaving gel foam. We got the wrong thing. We should have looked. I might have a little bit of shaving foam.
Do you think this might work though? It's may not
I
make
have a little bit.
fluffy.
Yeah, I have a little bit. Like we'll do a little bit each.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna use the gel.
I'm just using the gel. No.
Okay, wish us luck with this gel if it does not work.
Oh look, see, it foams up.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it foams up.
I'm not adding like that much. And now I'm gonna mix. Oh, yeah, I mean it's
Oh yeah. I guess
still like shaving foam.
I guess it's. I don't know. It definitely makes it fluffy
It makes it like
in a
thicker.
weird way, like fluffy in a weird way.
I'm adding quite a lot because I want mine to be super fluffy, and then yeah, you guys can
Same.
see like now
This is
my
weird. I mean, this could be a revolution.
this could be like a new. Oh my god, look how fit!
Oh my god.
It's actually really good. It works really well.
After this, we are going to be making normal slime. So this
Yeah,
is our
without
attempt at, you know. Oh my god, this is fluffing up so
Yeah,
well.
Oh my look, guys, we will show you.
Oh my
So
God.
I'll take my ball. So it went from like here, and now look how high it is.
It,
Legit, it's really, really high.
I will give you a close up. So this is currently mine, and this is
mine,
working well
guys.
for me.
Look at mine.
And this is lips.
Just an art. Mini face. So yeah.
Hey, this is my failed attempt of writing subscribe. As you know, it's really leaky paint, so it kind of melted, but it did look good at
Yeah,
first.
guys, it is acrylic, so,
So,
yeah,
yeah.
it looks really nice.
We will keep on mixing.
Like glitter.
Okay.
So, guys,
I'm
I might
adding
add,
foam balls.
Yeah, foam balls. You can have the young one. Wait, is that even any left? One?
I'm gonna make mine a really like clear pink, like you know.
I just made it a really peachy pink.
I want mine to be like a hot.
I don't
pink.
want a lot, so I'm adding these ones.
So guys, this slime is actually surprisingly working well with the gel, and I am very happy that I did not read the label, and we got gel. Me and Libby did not read the label, but it's what this is candy floss.
Oh my god,
Oh my
that's
God.
such a nice pink.
Wait, I will show you in a second once it's fully mixed in. Like, I have no idea whether...
I'm doing purple instead. Look at my colour, it's disgusting. Like,
Guys, this is my colour. Beautiful.
my colour's disgusting.
Shall I? No, I love your colour.
No, it's like a peach.
It's like a peachy orange.
Oh my god.
Shall I add a tiny bit more?
No, that's a nice.
I'll just do a tiny squirt.
Hopefully it will change the colour. Yes!
That's nice. That's like a Halloween slime.
Yeah, I've got a Halloween slime, which is bad because it's not Halloween.
Okay, guys, I'm ready to add my foam. Do I add foam?
Like, just tip it all in. Or tip it into your cup and then...
Yeah, yeah.
Like, guys, you can comment down below which one you like, not the best, but like, you like the
What
colour.
the colour?
Which my colour's going down really good. No.
No, that's actually really nice. I'm gonna add some glitter. Not glitter. I don't think glitter glue will work.
It's like,
Well, it will work. But
it's like glitter. It's just
I'm gonna add some gold. Why not?
I'm gonna add stars.
So yeah, same. Some gold glitter. We will show you the finish like before we mix it in. You've already mixed it in. I will show you what mine looks like before I mix it in. Yours, I love that colour. I don't know why.
No.
Add
It's like
more.
a lavender.
Yeah. But it's not. Add more of your purple.
My arms are getting so tired because I've mixed loads of colouring in.
Oh,
Can you get the blue stars out for me, please?
blue? Which which?
Stars. Yeah, like them, please. Thanks.
I will add some pink glitter as mine is. It's actually purple. Why did I say pink? I don't want this to be purple.
I'll pass. You do it with your mouth.
What if it gets in your mouth? Oh. Okay.
Hey, so
Okay, that was a bit too much.
we'll see you in a sec. So we are back and Frankie's adding more like different stuff. And my one, it's nice now. Like that. And I like it. Ooh.
Okay, guys. I have
Frankie, you're out of the
decorated.
picture. Wait, guys, sorry about this.
I have decorated my beautiful piece beautifully. I don't know how to describe. I might add some more gold. Why
I'm
not?
adding blue stars.
Oh, sick. I'm weird. Like,
Mine's like a lavender, so it's really nice. Like,
okay, ready to show you what it looks like before I've mixed it in. Turn around the camera. So here is mine, some love hearts that have not showed up very well. And yeah, now I'm gonna mix it in. And the finishing product.
now we're gonna add activator, guys.
Yeah, now we're gonna add our activator. So, okay.
So I poured it in a cup.
My
for us.
spoon has sank.
You can use that mixing down there. So I added it into the cups from our shaving place. So let's go. Shaving gel, actually, I should say. Oh.
You adding all of yours in at once?
Yeah.
Oh, rebel.
No. I'm...
Oh,
Oh my
god.
Oh look. Apparently with
Elmer's.
Elmer's, yeah, it makes it really soft. It doesn't even activate
I'm
it.
excited.
It doesn't even activate it in one big clump.
I
Is
know.
yours activated?
No, mine's activating, but then it just...
Has your cup?
This better not be a rip-off.
No. Because we've worked so hard. I'm going to do a little bit at a time this time.
Oops, yeah.
It's not even activating. Well, thank you. Mine was not activating.
Nora's
I'm adding more shaving gel. There's hardly any.
I used most of mine.
There's none left in mine. I did not use it
Fill
all.
mine either. Fill mine.
For mine. So empty.
Literally.
It's better not for you.
This is not...
Oh, now it's activating.
Did you add more gel?
Yeah.
Okay. No, still.
It's probably because there's a lot. Like, a lot.
I know. I'm really scared though.
Is it? Oh my guys, there's hardly any.
Do you have any contact?
No, I ran out. That's why.
Contact might be the only solution.
Wow, that helped. Get glue. More glue.
Glue's not gonna...
Uh-huh. I'm gonna see if there's any more on this one. The best one.
My spoon! My spoon. Rip.
Let's see if
Right.
that helps. Guys, it's not...
Rip.
Why is it not activating?
Rip mixing spoon.
Oh, mine's activating. Finally. I don't think we're gonna have enough activator for both. You've got them.
I know, I got it all over my leg because of the spoon.
Wait, I'll pour it into it. That's how much we have left. This is not gonna work. Like,
We could always go to the shop and you know that spray that you have at your corner?
oh yeah, it's only £1.
Should we go?
After dinner.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Well, how about we just run because it's not here yet?
Right, when you say that he's here. It's not activating.
My candy floss slime. It's not activating.
Well,
Can we go to the corner shop?
No, because food's here.
Yeah, afterwards.
Might be too late. Wash up, please. I don't want it all in the sink, Libby.
We're not. We're gonna leave it.
Wash up, mate. Dinner's here.
So yeah, guys, we're gonna have to like go because
We'll get back if we can find the activator.
to my colour.
Okay, guys. We have gone to the shop and bought some activator.
Where is it? So we got 2 of these.
I'm worried that this isn't gonna work because that's a really big.
guys.
Yeah, we think it will, but I'm worried that it won't. So,
Oh my god.
wish us luck. Gonna do it at the same time. Oh, you need to mix.
No, it's fine. You can add it.
3.
Okay, that's like a nice colour.
I'm gonna change to my spoon.
Where is yours?
Okay, it's already kind of activating.
Is that?
I can tell from
Right
my
there.
skewer.
Oh my god.
This is the problem with working with spray.
Oh yeah, mine was activating. Very
Yeah.
well, actually. I hope this isn't like a bad fail. But like,
Yeah, because this is like the best colour I've ever made.
Okay.
Sorry guys, the
Oh,
video
God.
stopped and... Oh, this spray is really getting to our brains.
That's why I'm opening up the windows, by the way.
Yeah. It's already
Look at my
activated.
colour, look at my colour.
So nice.
But your one's nicer.
I like yours.
I like your one better. Guys, look, it's actually activating with this. So if we have any more, we'll obviously make a normal slime. Push your bowl away when you spray. And bring it back. I'm going to start going in with my hands. In a
Is
sec.
yours?
No. Is yours?
No.
The spoon! No, you're... Mine's like activating, but it's not. Like, it's weird.
Like it clumps, but then it just goes back.
Yeah.
Okay. If this is a fail, I'm gonna be really upset. Hashtag toxic acids.
Oh
Beware.
my god, look at mine!
Oh, lucky ducky.
I'm actually going in with my hands because the spoon just keeps on like.
This is why you always need to use big spoons.
We were quite dumb on this.
Kind of, yeah. It's like when you're spraying a bug, like, you know.
That was activated. I meant. Oh, we should have got some more shaving foam.
Yeah, this is definitely activating.
It's definitely.
Ugh. Do they have shaving foam at that shop?
Yeah. Like the proper shaving foam.
Good. We should have got. We should just go back.
Oh no, mine was activating. So I'll add some while you mix.
Okay, thanks.
This works. Is it activating?
I don't know.
There's loads down there.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
Oh my god.
Sorry. My over the top cough.
Yeah, mine was activating. That's all. Oh yeah, your one. Oh, your one's so nice.
Oh, this is good. Oh, this is good. Please, could you add some more of my spray because my hands are really.
Hopefully this one.
Okay, that's a good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is good. That sounds really weird. Oh. Oh shoot. Yeah, shoot, man. Why is it always me that gets slime on my leg when I'm either making
I
slime?
usually get it loads on my wrist, but I'm doing okay today.
I just realised. Okay. Oh.
I'm not doing that good.
Whenever I try to take slime off, more slime goes on.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, guys.
Oh, it's activating really good now.
This is our saviour.
Oh my god, look.
Guys, there's one thing came out of this video. Do not buy Elmer's activator
Like with.
unless you're using Elmer's glue.
Yeah. Like
Like I buy quite a lot of Elmer's glue. Off
Oh
Amazon.
no, look at mine.
Oh my god. Glorious. Can you add some more, please? I feel this is definitely going to work.
Yeah.
It's getting all over my leg.
Do you need more?
I guess. They can, well, they
But
can.
just like you dot stuff all over the place and it activates it really quickly. Like you uncover it like this.
Okay.
And it actually activates it.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh my god, look.
5,
Oh my god.
6.
It's like a cloud one.
I feel like,
At the bottom.
guys, this is amazing.
But sticky. It takes quite long to activate with this one, guys.
I mean, I can already feel the thickness getting better and better.
Yeah, so guys, like before it was all like just really bad.
Like Saviour. Just saying, we are not trying to put any products on for just because we've been told to. Like, this is all just our opinion.
Frankie, mine's actually done.
Is it?
No, when you put it on your hand, it goes back to like sticky. So annoying.
Oh, beautiful. Absolutely. The only problem about this product is it's air freshener, so it's gonna make you cough a little bit.
Not a little bit, a lot.
Yeah, when I say a little bit, I mean a lot. So, oh god.
I see what like. Oh my, oh god.
Hello, darkness,
Like,
my old friend.
like I see what they mean. Like you need a lot of like shaving, like foam,
Okay,
and that's one thing.
this
we
is,
forgot.
you know when you make claim with slime, like, you can tell it's activating when it's like, when you put loads in, it kind of goes a bit like jelly, and then it just forms. It's really weird. I don't know, I say Libby's is activated more than mine.
No, it's so stretchy.
Feel like I've got a bit. I don't know. I'm just worried that
There's
this
so
is.
much in here.
I've got too much. Like seriously, I've made. This was actually nothing, but thanks to the gel, it has formed a big blob of.
Oh my god, look,
Stuff.
mine's not sticky that much.
What's mine? It's kind of like. I don't know.
This is going to be
It's rough.
really nice slime, guys. Like, look. Literally. We'll do it ASMR. We're going to put our fake nails on after this and then do it ASMR, yeah?
Yeah, I guess.
So, it's going
But then we're also going to be doing a face mask video. To be
Should we do
honest,
that tomorrow?
tonight. Should we do face mask?
Yeah, face and hair tomorrow.
Okay.
And nails
To
today.
be honest,
as well.
over today and tomorrow we're going to be doing quite about 4 YouTube videos, 5 at maximum. Maybe another 6 because we might do a trampolining video.
Oh, yes, yeah. If my trampoline
If
is
the
dry.
trampoline is dry, because
Or if-
typical England.
Raining in summer.
Yeah, but to be fair, we did have our good.
Yeah, we had a lot.
We had our summer technically. We didn't rain for like 2 months.
Yeah.
Bit longer than 2 months, so.
Like, it was
Actually, we should be
54
grateful.
days that it didn't rain for.
That's a lot. When it rained, I was in Tenerife. Like, the first time it rained, I was in Tenerife. So, I missed it, but
I'm going on holiday on the 18th to Greece. So if any of you guys are subscribed and you're going to Greece, to Kintos, I'm staying in Villa. And then,
I didn't do one else. So it was really nice.
yeah, I really wanted to go to Tenerife because like Tenerife, she stayed in like a apartment, hotel,
It was like
villa.
a massive villa with a swimming pool.
Yeah, like-
And it was really nice.
But the only bad thing about like that was like sharing a swimming pool.
Yeah, that was it.
But like the rest of the facilities were really good apparently. My one's activated. You can film mine. Maybe when you're done.
Oh my god. Always remember in future to tie up my hair when I'm doing slime videos, even though I haven't got any in my hair. I'm just very.
I just got it out.
I might put this on the floor.
I'm not going to. I won't recommend it when it's sticky. It will stick to like it wouldn't come off. That's why I've had like those little stain marks on my eyes. I'm making a small slime after this. When I mean small.
It's like.
See guys, mine's not sticky.
Oh, can you add some to mine, please?
Sure. You mix. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh, I didn't realise that. I told you.
Mine's sticky, but it's formed.
Yeah, that's what mine's a bit like.
Like, I'm happy that in the end we got somewhere, but I'm not happy.
Well, actually, it was Frank who said it, so that's good of her.
Of what?
The
Oh, to buy.
agitator.
Yeah. I guess.
Like, I thought we would be adding lotion to this.
We could add some lotion because lotion makes it shiny. Shiny. Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, mine has formed. Beautiful. What I find when I
Mine's
make.
still a bit sticky.
Yeah, like the tiny smudge.
Mine's come off the folded. Which is good.
Mine, I have not tried getting.
God,
Basically. We watched Incredibles 2 earlier.
and it's so good,
It's
guys.
so funny. Shout out to the creators of that film, I guess.
Yeah. Even though they're never going to see this. I'm going to mix it in like... Oh, maybe not. Oh, my Frankie, look at me. And like just straw.
Oh, let's just play with this a
so
little bit.
shit. I want to hear the clickiness.
Is yours yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
I can't wait for this to be at the point where we will get back to you when it is at the point where we can actually play with it free-handed without getting it stuck on our hands.